So people, Charles here, and this video, I wanted to share me hitting Group 8 to the, I have 722,355 bonus ad points, and you need 736,000 bonus ad points to hit level 8. So we're gonna surf the ads, and you're gonna go on this. You're gonna go on this little journey with me today. We'll see what kind of ads they're putting out today, and somebody's promoting Myaddsup on Myaddsup, which is not gonna get them nothing. So here go another one. Myaddsup on Myaddsup. We already in Myaddsup. Why would we want to join Myaddsup if we're already here? Excuse me. And this banner, you can't even really see what it is. And then somebody didn't put their link in right. And then okay. Oh, going on to me. Oh, I just joined this too. Cloud token. Yeah, I just joined this, and it's going pretty good so far. And I don't know what this is. Identification. I've never seen this before. But last night I added $25 worth of Bitcoin last night to this. I thought it was gonna be in level 8. I was 545 points away from being in Group 8. But I know I'll hit it today because I'll be over. I should be able to buy 6 once I get done surfing these ads. And that should put me at about 740,000. And then tomorrow I drop back down, and it'll probably take a couple of days for me to build up and work, because when you're like that, and I think when you're in Group 8 you lose like 21,000 bonus ad points, so that's gonna knock me down. But I'll be able to. I think tomorrow I'll be able to buy 7. So, but this company's doing pretty good. It's been around for 6 months. It's doing pretty good. No problem. I never did a withdrawal, but like when I do my deposits are like, it doesn't even take long. I think I did a deposit last night, and maybe like 5 or 10 minutes the deposit was in there, as long as you do the steps right. Because a lot of people be having problems is because they're so in a rush instead of just taking the time and do it right. And then they're in the group asking 1,000 questions and all that, but you just gotta take your time and do it right. But this is a milestone for me with this too, because I started this with $5, and I just basically every day I did my ads. Then as I got close, like when I got close to another level, I would, whatever the difference was. That's what I tried to do last night, but didn't work out. But I'm gonna hit Group 8 today, so it's not really a problem. But basically when I get close to the next level, I usually just go ahead and top it up. I might go a month and just reinvest, and depending on how it's growing, I can, I'll go ahead and I'll add the funds to hit that next level. Cause my goal with this is to hit level 12, where I can withdraw $100 a day. That's my goal with this, cause this is gonna be one of my cash flow. It's gonna be something just strictly for cash flow, and I'm gonna keep on growing my account, and eventually will want to hit group 12, well, group 13, where you make $726 a day. You can withdraw 200 a day. Well, really, I think like maybe 250. And then all you gotta do is just maintain your account. All right, the ads are done. All right, so we're gonna go back. I got $6, and let's go buy our ad packs. And I'm promoting a little site, a Wix site that I created for I think feature points, which is a way to, like, if you're new to this, that's a way that you could get yourself some free Bitcoin and get started. Be matter of fact, I might do a video on that, um, to like the people that don't have any money. They can join feature points, and they can get some free Bitcoin. As you can see, I'm in Group 8, and Group 8 pays 1070, and 5% goes to my sponsor, so I probably make around 9 something, maybe 9, almost 10. And we go from here. Now we gotta get what about 9, 8 point, about 3, maybe like, I think like 900,000 points that we got to build to get to Group 9. And we just gonna keep climbing this ladder till we hit. This is my initial goal, but we're gonna keep climbing this ladder. But I started here I think it was like every 3 days I could buy one ad pack. Then I added funds, and I went here. I was here, and then I think I was close to this, or I think I ain't even stay here long. I just topped up. Then I made it here. Then I topped up again. I got here. Then I topped up again, and now I'm here. It's not a bad run. Not a bad run, but I'm thinking about adding. I think about adding funds every week to try to push this and whatever, because I'm a 100% reinvest whatever it earns. All that's going right back in the ad pack. And I'm just gonna keep growing and growing and growing. But that's basically and I guess I'll go ahead and surf my 5 bonus ads, and that should put me at 741,000 bonus ad points. And $10 a day, that's 300. That's $300 right there. $300 in a month. So in a month, I should be in group 10 at least by either the third week of November. Yeah, at least the third week, or maybe the end of November. So then we'll be make it 24 a day. Then it'll start being some profits made then. But I only have I strictly did this mostly on my own. I do have one active referral. I haven't been promoting the link. I just came in and just basically doing it on my own. But I've been doing these YouTube videos, and I guess somebody liked my video and they joined through my link. But that's basically it. Um, I'll leave my link in the description if you wanna check this out. But as you can see, I'm in group 8, make it 1070 a day. If you're new here, like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.